flooding and loss of power. Make sure to have extra batteries and flashlight cover. More to follow as the storm gets near. Please check back for updates. Start. This is Mason live from the weather channel. There will be snow on the road. Don't go in the road. There will be slippery roads. Slippery, frosty. We are under a blizzard warning. It's no longer a thunderstorm warning. The roads will be slippery and frosty. Please do not drive on the road. Drive on the road.